Alright, you are welcome once again to this video. As you can see in this video, the aim of this video is to show you guys how to fund your ad account with your smartphone. So what you need to do, if you are new on my channel, please I want you to click the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, so whenever I'm going to post any other video, so you'll be the first person to notify. Alright, so what you need to do is that you need to minimize and go to your application that is called MetaAd. As you can see, here is my own. Have you seen account spending limit? I've reached my limit. That's the reason I turned off my ad. This is the new ad that I run yesterday, and the ad went live. So here's the ad, and the ad was approved. So what you need to do, just like I said before, is just I want you to click the red subscribe button and turn up the bell notification, so whenever I'm going to drop any other update like this or any other video like this, you'll be the first person to get notified. So the first thing you need to do, you need to come to this place here. You click here, and once you click, you come to you choose the ad, like the page that you need to fund. Yeah, I have 3 pages here, which is the sales breakthrough. This is the page that I want to fund. So what you need to do is you need to click on this billing and payment. So you click on it and you allow this to load. You can go ahead to set your payment method, but this video is not about that. I'll drop the another video on that. So what you need to do, you need to come to this add funds. You click on add funds, then you need to choose, you need to put your amount. As for me, I will go with 2,000 naira for the benefit of this video. Remember, the aim of this video is to show you how to run how to fund your ad account with your smartphone. So the next thing that you need to do, you need to click on this Naira payment with Master/Visa. Have you seen? Then after that, you click on next. Then it is processing. It will redirect you to add your card details, so you need to wait. All right, what you need to do, have you seen? They say please click continue to complete your Naira payment with PayU. Please note that the payment page will open on a new window and it closes automatically at the completion of the payment. Ensure to pop up blockers in enable is enabled. Okay, what you need to do is you need to click on continue. You need to click on this continue, then you wait for it to load. All right, so the next step that you need to do, you have you seen this place here? You need to click on tick, like you need to tick this place now. So then I've copied my card details. All right, my card details is already here. So what I'll need to do, I'll need to paste it. I've pasted this one. All right, everything is intact now. Have you seen? So I've put my card details here. For the benefit of this video, I am going to block this process. So I have put all my card details. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to click on this pay. So you wait for it to load. Have you seen? Authenticating your transaction. So what you need to do is you need to choose if they are going to send you an OTP through your number. So I will need to click on continue now. All right, OTP will be sent to this my number, so we need to wait for the code to come. All right, here is the code I have copied. So I have copied and I will paste the code here. Paste the code and click on this pay button. Click on this pay now. Have you seen? Your transaction was successful. Have you seen? So you wait so that they can redirect you to your MetaAd application now. Have you seen? Funds added successfully. Have you seen? Funds successfully added. Have you seen? So this is just the simplest step on how you can add funds to your ad account with your smartphone. So I've received an email here. Have you see? Here is an email that my card has been used to pay for something online. So what you need to do is I'll need to go to my MetaAd. I need to go to my MetaAd again. You still need to come to this top here and you click on billing and payment. Have you seen? the funds has been added successfully. So this is just the process on how you can add your funds to your hard account. So just like as I was saying, I will upload this video here. So what you need to do is for you to please click the subscribe button and turn up the bell notification, and I'm going to drop others attractive video that can help you. All right, thanks you guys for watching this video. See